So people with the Blue Lagoon, I mean I said Blue Lagoon, the blue hole right now guys, and we're going to have a fun day. This is maybe I carry throughout the day still. Let's see what the day has to offer. And you guys will see that. So just check in and see what's going on. Look at that. Nice blue water. Yeah. So we are going. And everywhere we are going to stay, but we have to follow the tour guide there now and see where we're going to end up. You know, so y'all just stay tuned for all the fun and excitement today. Stay tuned. Can't carry that. Guys, don't try my carry. You junk off people. Y'all don't carry that. Come take up your load, sir, and come in. Come on, man. You can take up yourself and come on. See, nice lady at your help you there. Check out broke her nails. You can't lift up it. Put it on your shoulder, man. Jesus. That means enough to carry. See? Make a woman do better than you.
Why lift camera?
Make a woman do better than you. So guys, look at this now. This guy's making a jump off of the rope. This swim can do. No, jump. No, the water looks nice and fresh. Yes, well, there you go. That's a vibe.
Shot, boss!
That is a vibe, man. Look at this one now. This one is a monkey Tarzan.
Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work.
That's a belly flap, man.
And I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, 'cause I don't feel like I've been this nothing that makes me happy. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
So people, we just did take some pictures. I don't know why they give me that thing here, but we want to use it still. We're going to see if we can do some more jump off soon and show you how I go on. And we are going down the spot that swing there and we're going to check that out. So I'm show you some people that do it still. I'm not most going to right now, but I'm going to show you that. Let's go. People may look like a mad person, but I check out the water now. Maybe I can't hear him because of the rushing of the water. But I'll check out the swing now.
I look here, look there, over where am I scared? Where am I at? I gotta make it in this life. Whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night. Oh, and we all got dreams. We all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe we can do anything?
It is. Guys, this is everybody I try to back flick, but only the strongest will endure, so we'll see what goes on.
From the heathens, got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got
Aşağı. Yukarı. Ya.
But I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time.
What are we going to see today, my boss? That's the falls. Any attractions?
How many people in the house? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Don't count me, I'm just the videographer.
You know what?
You don't have to count me, I'm just the videographer. Yes. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Guys, we're going on some tour. I don't even know what tour it is, but we're gonna take. This is the tour guide. I don't know his name yet. Davis. Yeah. And we have everyone here. Yeah. And we're going on a tour to an unknown place, anonymous area. We don't know where we're going as yet. But the vibe. See, everyone's going. So guys, we're going on a tour. As long as I'm not swimming, I'm cool. So we're going to ride a dirt bike. Yeah. Oh yeah, the bossy, me the far. Oh, God. Tour guide, Mr. Davis.
Mr. Davis, hold on.
Watch it.
Here is St. Anne, over here is St. Mary.
Over here is St. Mary.
So we're doing the tour in St. Mary. So follow me and I will show you all the places we go.
Oh, we don't know St. Mary there?
We are in St. Mary now.
Oh, we didn't have St. Mary.
When you finish the tour, you're going back over St. Anne.
Alright. Go, go.
I got nightmares in my head.
So guys, this man say want to ride bike. It's that different. A young man sitting them there. Now I'm on a 4-wheel bike. You go on here, sir. You want to St. Mary? Hey, man. Quick! Yes, the pregnant lady is really brave, you know? Come in, man.
How we are go?
I don't know. How we are go? Just a walk. 10 minutes? 2 minutes gone. 30 minutes left. How we are going to ride?
Welcome to the jungle.
I don't know we are going to see again. Jungle walk? I'm just going to sit here with you.
The jungle, the lion
I have best place and put a queue here. I have best place and carry. Mister.
Everything feels like you're sticky stuck. lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Unplugged, feeling overwhelmed.
I got more of
Where's Jungle Walk? Jungle Walk. Go on. Come in, man. Stop your complaining, man. Just walk. But I don't know about that. I think, you know. If I say good thing come to an end, too. Good things come to an end. Come on, we have walked this here.
Guys, this is a daily trade.
So we're going to chat to who we see, you know.
Yeah. So all of the blue hole are on 100. Yeah. All of the blue holes on 100.
I'm going to stand, brother.
Alright, let's go now.
Go now.
Where we go down? Up.
Up.
Alright, these steps are small so she can manage it. Going to the farm.
Come through, people. We're there again. Cars are being nice, you know? Everybody are lined up to cars, you know? We run cars already, you know, because we don't know what it is. We use them things, you know? So, we're going to have vibes and see how far we can reach. Oh, wait. You know? Because everybody will come cars, you know? This way you can do. Nobody not drop. Come through. Hola, you know. Kita take out them now, man. They had been pregnant. Yeah, hardly manage. No.
I'm only two guys without too much water.
Window? Pretty. Pretty. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking like. Did that flip.
Yeah. Yeah. It's my intention to apply for a spirit license.
Episode 2. This is where you're going. So, that is where you're going. This is where you're going. What's that? That's the fall. That's the fall.
What do you call it, falls?
See that?
Yeah, that's the fall.
That's one question.
That's the
So follow me
falling.
now and you reach.
That fallings will kill you.
Follow me now.
Yeah, that will kill you, you know. That up there will kill you. Can you see that? You see that? Yes! Oh, that's over there, so.
Where? Oh God! I feel it to me heart.
I split me, kill me that. That'll be my work.
Katie, she ain't Katie, eh? We're going to the falls. But me not get the falls name, boss. The falls. Take your whole eye. Take your whole eye, you know there's none through it. Take it easy, mama. Bye. Rough. Sorry, huh? Go, people, let's go! Alright, look at this. This is so pretty. Look at that. Yeah. Everybody across and we're going to the falls. The falls, because I know the tour guide don't tell me what the falls name, so I never know. The tour guide's not talking to us, so we have to find it out on our own. That's everybody have to cross now, and then me will cross last. Life of a videographer. He's dead? Oh, see him there?
Ooh, it's up on him.
Una vez, ¿no? Se llama la venida por la
When they come, coming back, you have to hold on the way. Watch him first, man. Watch him first, man. But this guy that comes in is a one fool met men.
What?
How are you doing, guys? How does he look? Alright, look at it. Hold on a minute. You haven't seen your back pocket.
I did, you know. Front, if you want to do a front, you can face him and drop fall. But go with him. Yeah. Ah, flick! Yes! Eggs up, you know. Well, I'm into things up. Time. What I mean, man? So I need one time to carry it again. One time to try and probably sketch in front of that. Yeah!
Can't do it, man. I'm supposed to do the fight, man. I'm supposed to do the fight, no?
So. So people, you don't know we've done the tour now, we've done swim first a day. We're not talking no more water. Right now I'm cold and beat up. So we're gonna head back down to where we were before this morning. I'm gonna change off. I'm gonna just head back home now. Because right now water gets cold. Whoa. So yeah, as I said guys, we're at the blue log. You got the blue log one again. We're at blue hole. So we're done. We are here doing. Keep on watching. So guys, everybody are come back now. Everybody left come back now, so I don't know what time to go home.